Brothers, I've got the latest Xiaomi 17T. I see many of you asking if this phone can run PUBG at a stable 90 frames per second. Okay, no problem. I've got you covered today. Let's look at the design first. For the screen, it's 6.59 inches with a resolution of 2756 by 1268 and a 120Hz refresh rate. It has a plastic frame and a glass back. My unit is in the color called Phantom White. The core performance, it features the Dimensity 8500 Ultra processor and a 7000 mAh battery. Mine is the 12 plus 256 gigabyte model. In performance mode, I ran a quick benchmark, scoring 2.2 million, surpassing 49% of users. For gaming, we have HDR, Extreme, HD, Ultra, and Smooth. With a 90 frames per second option, we'll go with Smooth 90, 1080p, and give it a try. Performance mode is on, batteries at 94%. Let's get started. Okay guys, we're entering the game now. Yep, no problem. Let's jump right in. Let's see where I'm spawning. Oh, a slight shake, but no issues at all. Very responsive. No problem, let's jump. 84 frames for a second, and we've landed smoothly. No fluctuations while passing through the clouds. How many people are there?
10 people. Let me check again. Okay.
10 people is enough. Okay, we will play for 38 minutes and 33 seconds.
Room temperature is 24.6 degrees.
The phone is at 49.
Battery is at 81%, 13% consumed.
Let's look at the frame rate chart. The average is 87.6. We played 1 or 2 rounds, and looking at this chart, the frame rate is decent. So for playing PUBG on this phone, my overall experience is that, well, currently it runs at smooth 90 frames. The responsiveness is also fine. As for the heat, it gets a bit warm, and I was playing in an air-conditioned room. Also, in hot drop zones, there are some frame rate fluctuations.
The frame rate fluctuates, but it won't drop below 80. That's pretty much the overall gaming experience. So do you guys have phones? How about we all play some PUBG together sometime?